Let's also now get more news break that is coming in. The BJP is expected to release its second list of candidates by the 8th of January. Meenakshi Lekhi, that is who's likely to be announced as candidate in the second list of the BJP. In fact, sources tell Republic that the BJP manifesto is also to be released after 15th of January. So expecting that manifesto of the BJP by end of this month. While the second list of the BJP is expected to be announced after 7th of January. So these are the details that we are picking up. The second list of the BJP is likely to be released on the 7th or 8th of January. Meenakshi Lekhi, who is likely to be fielded, to be given a ticket in the second list that is to be released in the next 3 to 4 days. Also, the manifesto of the BJP is likely to be released after 15th of January. So that manifesto of the BJP that is likely to be released by end of this month. While in its first list, the party has announced 29 candidates, in which Ramesh Bhidori of the BJP has been fielded from the Kalkaji seat, while Parvesh Verma of the BJP has been given a ticket from the New Delhi seat. So the first list of BJP that features Parvesh Verma from the New Delhi seat, Ramesh Bhidori from the Kalkaji seat, Kailash Gehlot from the Bijwasan seat, Manjinder Singh Sirsa from Rajouri Garden and Dushyant Gautam from Karol Bagh. All right, let's also now move on to the face-off that has also been escalating in the national capital. It's the Aam Aadmi Party versus the Congress ahead of the elections that are slated to take place in February. It's the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal who's taken on the Congress and said, who takes the Congress seriously? So the Aam Aadmi Party's national convener who says that people in the national capital do not take the grand old party seriously. Let's listen into that soundbite.
आप कांग्रेस को इतना सीरियसली क्यों लेते हैं? जनता ने लेना बंद कर दिया। आप पत्रकार, कुछ चंद पत्रकार उनको अभी भी सीरियसली लेते हैं। कांग्रेस और बीजेपी को अब औपचारिक रूप से ऐलान कर देना चाहिए कि वो मिलके गठबंधन में ये चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ। ये चोरी छिपे, पीठ पीछे एक साथ अलायंस करना ये ठीक नहीं है। आप कांग्रेस को इतना सीरियसली क्यों लेते हैं? जनता ने लेना बंद कर दिया। आप पत्रकार, कुछ चंद पत्रकार उनको अभी भी सीरियसली लेते हैं। कांग्रेस और बीजेपी को अब औपचारिक रूप से ऐलान कर देना चाहिए कि वो मिलके गठबंधन में ये चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ। ये चोरी छिपे, पीठ पीछे एक साथ अलायंस करना ये ठीक नहीं है।